I want to go over the section view and why sometimes it might disappear on you. And we can see that we have our section view here. Okay. But sometimes it will disappear on you without you knowing it. For the new users, I think that it can be frustrating because we will wonder what happened to our section. And we can see that it's there, but if we zoom in and for some reason we change our discipline on our properties to have a better view, or for some reason we want to look at walls or some type of system, whether it's mechanical or whatever we need to do to change this discipline. And if in that case we go back, that we want to see a section of this particular view in this discipline, and we look for our section view, we can see that it's not there. And for new users, we wonder what happened, and we go searching and we can't find it because we know it was there, but it's not there anymore. The reason it's not there is because you changed your discipline here. I don't know why Revit does that, but it does. So in order to see it again, you have to go back to your plumbing discipline in order to make that your section view appear. Okay, it's not gone, it's just that you changed disciplines. In this case, it's architecture, and you can see that it loses its visibility when you change your discipline. So be careful when you change your discipline and you want to see a section view of that particular look, and you notice that your section view is no longer on your plan. And the reason is because you change your discipline. So be careful when you're doing that type of process. Okay. All right, guys. I hope that helped. I will talk to you guys later.